Hey guys, Vedant here. So, today we are going somewhere in the mountains. So, please watch it to know where are we going. So, I am on the Mumbai airport and I just took a flight from Mumbai to Delhi. And Delhi ke aage I'll tell you where we went.
फिर सैर चला उड़ के छोड़ा है जहान नीच मैं तुम्हारे अब हूँ हवाले अब दूर दूर लोग बाग मीलों दूर ये वादियाँ फिर धुआं धुआं तन्हर बदली चली आती
So, I
है
just landed in Delhi and from morning till evening I was in the hotel and evening में I went to the bus stand and वहाँ से हम जा रहे हैं ऋषिकेश. Yes, we are going Rishikesh first.
नहीं कभी खुद से भी मैं मिला नहीं ये किला तो है मैं खफा नहीं शहर एक से गांव एक से लोग एक से नाम एक
So we are just waiting for a bus that is at 11:30 from ISBT stand to Rishikesh. And yes, this is a bus from Delhi to Rishikesh.
गाइस हम लोग जा रहे हैं केदारनाथ तो देखते हैं अभी तो फिलहाल ऑन द वे टू ऋषिकेश एंड कल सुबह ऋषिकेश पहुंचेंगे.
So yes, as I said, we are going Kedarnath. Yes, we are on the way to Rishikesh and night में we stopped once for having a dinner.
स्पाइसी बनाओ भैया.
And as we were going more towards the north, it started getting really cold. And हम पहुंच गए ऋषिकेश and it's really cold over here and it's morning 5:30. So yes guys, we took an auto from the bus stand towards our hotel. Welcome to Uttarakhand.
अरे वो उसको देना है.
ये हमारा होटल है and it's really nearby to the Ganga. I'll show you that even. And there you go, this is Ganga and we are staying really nearby to it. So as we had a day, so we thought, let's explore Rishikesh. So we just took bikes on rent and we started exploring Rishikesh. एक्सप्लोर करते करते we reached Lakshman Jhula, one of the famous places in ऋषिकेश. and ये जो झूला है ये एक्चुअली में थोड़ा it swings. yes, ऋषिकेश में राफ्टिंग भी होती है, so yes, you guys can go for rafting and it's really nearby to Lakshman Jhula. After exploring a lot of places in Rishikesh, in the evening we reached Triveni Ghat. So after doing a lot of exploring, we had our dinner and again we are leaving for Sonprayag. Yes, we are leaving for Sonprayag. So we got a bus in the morning from Rishikesh to Sonprayag. It almost takes 10 hours, like literally 10 hours. So we reached Sonprayag about 5 o'clock in the evening, and after reaching Sonprayag you need to take a e-pass for Kedarnath. So we took a e-pass and after that we took a taxi, local taxi to Gaurikund. सो यहाँ तक ही टैक्सी जाती है. सो वी गॉट डाउन ओवर हियर इन गौरीकुंड एंड यहाँ से वी स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग टुवर्ड्स अ होटल टू स्टे because we were already tired and the day was about to get over. So we found a hotel in Gaurikund. Hey guys, good morning. So it's morning 5 o'clock and we wake up because we need to start to trek for Kedarnath. So this is a Gaurikund. ये automatically boil होता है of course because of nature. So it's always hot. It's really hot. So this is the starting point of Kedarnath trek and also a pony point, and finally after like just 1 kilometer we got a group, and from 2 to 3 people we merged into a group of 10 people. And that is the destination where we wanna go. And ये बीच में waterfalls है where we can fill the water to drink, and yeah, it's the purest. And after traveling a lot, there are like lots of bases, like बहुत सारी कैंप साइट्स बनी हुई है. So we were taking a lot of breaks, like after every 4 kilometers there is one base camp, so we were taking a break and we were still going on. तो ये जो रास्ता बना हुआ है, दिस इज़ द न्यू वन. 2013 में जो हुआ था, आफ्टर दैट लॉट ऑफ रूट्स हैव बीन चेंज. सो दिस इज़ अ न्यू वन एंड ये है ऑलमोस्ट 18.5 किलोमीटर्स ट्रैक. So as we start moving up, of course there is a decrease in oxygen level, and as you're climbing more and more you're already tired, so the oxygen level over here is very low, like really low.
जय हो शंकरा, आदिदेव शंकरा, तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह. मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने, क्या बुरा है क्या भला. तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आंख मूंद के चला. तेरे नाम की जोत ने सारा हर लिया तमस मेरा. नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा. नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा.
So as you spot a helicopter so close to you, it means you are almost nearby to the temple, because the temple है, it's really like just really close to the helicopter base. So yes, we are almost about to reach. And finally we reached in the evening, like almost a night. It was really cold. So here is the Kedarnath temple.
सीपियों की ओट में मोतिया हो जिस तरह, मेरे मन में शंकरा तू बसा.
And finally morning में we got up, we took a room for the night, and here is the temple, Kedarnath ji.
अर्थ क्या निरर्थ क्या जो भी है सभी तेरा, तेरे सामने है झुका.
And I know camera isn't doing that justice, but the place is so beautiful, the temple is beautiful.
शिव पुरंदरा, भद्र नट युगंधरा, नमन्न मन्नो गौरीनाथ, शर्व अज केदारनाथ. तुझे केदारनाथ, शून्य से भी सूक्ष्म है, आकाश से अनंत है. तू मर्म पूरी सृष्टि का, तू आदि है तू अंत है. तुझे केदारनाथ, सौ जगत में है विकट, तू एक अखंड तत्व है. झूठ काम लोभ जब तू एकमात्र सत्य है. रुद्र शिव पुरंदरा, भद्र नट युगंधरा, नमन्न मन्नो गौरीनाथ, शर्व
And after doing our darshan, we just left to trek down back.
मृत्युञ्जयाय रुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय शम्भवे अमृतेशाय शर्वाय महादेवाय ते नमः नमस्तेऽस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमान् महादेवाय नमः।
And from here, we took a pony, a mule, to get down. And by this, we came down, and from there, we rented a car. We came back to Rishikesh, and from Rishikesh, there is one place called as Neelkant Temple in Rishikesh. We went there, and बस ऐसे ही हमारी जर्नी ख़त्म हुई वहाँ से we went back to home. So I hope you guys really liked it. If yes, please do comment, share and like, and let me know about the video. And yes, this journey is an end to start a new journey. So definitely I'll be back. And by like this, I was back to Mumbai.